Mashallah, mashallah. Jummahவுக்கு free. Mashallah. அந்தாலியாவினுடைய இன்னொரு பழமை வாய்ந்த பள்ளிவாசல் முராத் பாஷா சாமி, அதுக்கு தான் இன்றைக்கு ஜும்மாவுக்காக வந்திருக்கிறோம். எல்லா நண்பர்களுக்கும் அஸ்ஸலாமு அலைக்கும் வரஹ்மத்துல்லாஹி வபரகாத்துஹு. ஜும்மா முபாரக். மாஷா அல்லாஹ். முராத் பாஷா மஸ்ஜித் முராத் பாஷா சாமி என்று சொல்லி அழைக்கப்படக்கூடியது.
صلوا عليه وسلموا تسليما. من يضلل فلا هادي له. نشهد ان لا اله الا الله وحده لا شريك له ونشهد ان سيدنا محمدا عبده وحبيبه ورسوله. اما بعد فيا عباد الله. على رسولنا صلوات. سبحان الله والحمد لله ولا إله إلا الله والله أكبر.
அனல் தாவும் அந்தாலியா. ஆனால் அதுவும் ஒரு நல்ல அனுபவம் தான். மொரோக்கோ, துருக்கி, மிடில் ஈஸ்ட் நாடுகள் எல்லாம் இந்த டைமில் வெயில் மண்டே பொழுக்கும் தான். ஆனால் சம்மர் ஹாலிடே யூ ஹாவ் டு என்ஜாய் இட், அக்செப்ட் இட். அல்ஹம்துலில்லாஹ். 40 degrees வெயில்னால தொழுதுட்டு வர மக்களுக்கு இலவசமான ஒரு ஜூஸ் கொடுக்குறாங்க. தஷக்கர். செரி ஜூஸ். Cherry. MashaAllah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
MashaAllah. Let me make with you together a picture.
Yeah, definitely.
Where are you from? MashaAllah.
I'm a Sri Lankan. MashaAllah. What's your name, brother?
Abu Zakaria.
Abu Zakaria.
My brother.
Nice.
This is my nice brother from another mother. Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you, brother. We need to keep that brotherhood. We need to raise our voice for Palestinians.
Free Palestine.
Free Palestine.
May Allah
join us. Come on.
May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect this good brother and help him.
Everybody.
This is my brother from another mother also.
MashaAllah.
Nice
Lovely to meet you. And lots of different ethnic Muslims are here.
Alhamdulillah. Nice to meet you. I'm from Germany. Today I will go back.
Germany?
Today
Which part of Germany are you?
Hannover.
Hannover. Ich bin auch Deutsche.
Yeah, mashallah.
Yeah, I came from Frankfurt first.
Yeah.
Then I moved to England. Better environment for Muslims.
I'm not sure. First of all, I think you're German because you look like German a little bit.
Are you sure?
I think to ask you, you're from Germany. Allahu Akbar.
No way.
Oh, you look like Hans. You know Hans? Abu Detlef?
MashaAllah.
Assalamu alaikum. Greeting to Britannia. May Allah protect
to all Muslims around the world.
This is from your brother?
This is my eldest son.
Oh, he looks
second son, third son.
You look like your bodyguard.
We have a strong team now. Alhamdulillah.
Show me what you have eaten today.
So which is your what country?
My country? My mother, she is from Germany.
Yeah.
And my father is from Turkey.
Alhamdulillah. You're a Turk family.
Yes.
Basically from father. And you?
He is
also Turkey.
He is from Mardin.
I used to work
but wait, he has a special kind of ethnic.
Yeah.
He is Arabic, from Arabic ethnic. Before they come from, I think, Iraq.
Yeah.
Immigrated in the kingdom of Osmania.
Okay.
To Turkey. But he's a special kind for stability. He's Arab Turkish. Arab Turkey.
I used to work in Frankfurt Airport.
Yeah.
There are lots of thousands of Turkish people.
Yeah.
They are the one ruling the airport. Big base.
MashaAllah. I forget your name is?
Nasrin. You can find me One Nas.
Yeah.
I'm going to publish this on my channel. One Nas, inshallah.
MashaAllah.
We'll be live tonight.
Allahu Akbar.
Inshallah. Free Palestine.
Free Muslim countries.
All the Ummah.
May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect them for all tawahud and all badness. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Nice to meet you, brother. See you. Assalamu alaikum. Turkish gulab jam. Anega.